PureCycle, a pioneering plastic recycling company, has announced a significant milestone in its growth journey. The company has secured a $300 million capital raise, which will fuel its ambitious plans to reach 1 billion pounds of installed capacity by 2030. Some have called the capital raise is a testament to PureCycle's innovative approach to plastic recycling and its commitment to sustainability. The company has partnered with prominent investors, including Duquesne Family Office LLC, Wasserstein Debt Opportunities, and Samlin Capital, among others. This diverse group of investors underscores the confidence in PureCycle's vision and its potential to revolutionize the plastic recycling industry. PureCycle's growth plan is centered around strategic partnerships and expansion into new markets. The company has announced a partnership with IRPC Public Company Limited, a leading petrochemical operator in Southeast Asia, to build a new polypropylene recycling facility in Thailand. This facility will have a capacity of 130 million pounds and is expected to become operational in mid-2027. Additionally, PureCycle plans to build a similar facility in Antwerp, which will offer access to mature feedstock opportunities and strong infrastructure synergies. The company's existing facility in Ironton has made significant progress, and PureCycle is now focused on integrating the learnings from this facility into its future growth plans. The Augusta facility will be enhanced to house a larger Gen 2 line, with a capacity of over 300 million pounds per year. This expansion will enable PureCycle to better leverage the greenfield expansion at Augusta and drive growth. PureCycle's CEO, Dustin Olson, expressed excitement about the company's growth prospects, stating that the time for growth is now. The capital raise will enable PureCycle to execute on its global growth plans, and the company is thankful for the continued support from its investors. With its innovative approach to plastic recycling, strategic partnerships, and commitment to sustainability, PureCycle supporters stand behind its significant growth and success, as well as its potential for long-term profitability and its role as a leader in the plastic recycling industry. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.